What kind of candy is it, Jillian?
It's brown and it has a pokey in it.
See, it's a warhead.
It's a warhead.
Okay, put that in your mouth.
I haven't had these in a long time, Mom.
Do you like it, Jilly? You do?
Mom, I haven't had these
You gonna spit it out or you like it? Does it hurt?
Spit it out.
I know it's really sour.
Have some juice, sweetie. Sometimes you get bad candy. That's why we don't eat lots of candy. It's bad for you, huh? Should we throw the candy away? All of it? No. What should we keep?